Hello everyone, just a quick message before we start our warm-up today. It's so important to have a balanced day. So I know you're all doing your home learning, and I hope you use the first video that I made to start the day, or in the middle of the day, or anytime you feel that you need to use it. Also, it's so important to rest, to sleep well. So I know we're in lockdown, and I know it's not a lot of things we can do apart from going for our daily walk or exercise, and that's where being at home for most of the times can be tricky in terms of using a lot of maybe game consoles or tablets or phones or any other things like that. But it's so important not to use that a couple of hours before you go to sleep, because while you use those games and you let's say you use it just before you go to bed and then you go to bed, your brain is still active. Although your body might be resting, you're in bed, you're laying down, you're trying to sleep. When you close your eyes, you still see the images, you still see the video, you see still the game that you were playing just before then. So it's really important to rest your brain as well, not just your body. That's why when we wake up in the morning, a lot of times we feel like you didn't rest enough, and you just want to lay in. You don't feel like doing your home learning. You don't feel like doing much because your brain didn't rest, and it's so important to rest our brain as well. So please try not to use any blue screens, even TVs. Don't watch TV just before you go to sleep. Rather read a book or do some other activities, coloring, drawing, be creative like that. Okay, so let's start with the warm-up now. Again, we're going to do 40 seconds activity and 20 seconds rest. We're first going to start with bouncing back and forth. Okay, so I'm going to step back here so you can all see me clearly. I'm going to set up my time again and go. So back and forth for 40 seconds. Keep doing it. Remember to focus on your breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Or inhale, exhale. "30 seconds, we have 10 more seconds. And stop. Can rest your legs now, shake your legs for a little bit. The second activity that we're going to do, we're going to try to use our elbows to touch our opposite knees. So this is what we need to do. Touch your elbow, touch your knee with your opposite elbow. Ready? And go, 40 seconds. You can do it slow, or you can do it a bit faster. Try to keep your back straight. And stop. Lovely. I hope that was 40 seconds. It's hard to keep an eye on the timer while you do it at the same time. Great. Now we're going to have about 20 seconds rest. The next exercise that we're going to do, we're going to do a jump shot. So imagine we're playing basketball. We're going to put our right foot slightly in front of our left foot. Your legs slightly apart. We're going to bend our knees, and we're going to jump up and pretend we're taking a basketball shot. So, just like that. Are you ready? 40 seconds. Go. Amazing. 20 seconds rest now. Great. Well done, everyone. One more. This is going to be an easy one. Not so intense. Catching my breath now. This is really good. We're going to try to touch our toes with our fingers, but opposite hand. So like this. Okay? Ready? And go. 40 seconds. Try not to bend your knees. Keep your back straight. Just lift up the leg. Okay, I might have done it for more than 40 seconds, but it's fine. As long as you feel your heartbeat is racing, as long as you feel you're starting getting sweaty, that's all I need. Because that tells me now you're ready to start your day. That tells me now you have energy now. You feel great, you feel better. Your blood is getting more oxygen now in your blood, and you're ready to start the day. You'll be more focused for your home learning and you'll feel great. I do have a challenge for this video. Please try it at home. I'm gonna grab a tennis ball. You can use any ball that you have, a tennis ball, as long as you can fit it in the palm of your size, in the palm of your hand. We're going to try to do head and shoulders. So throw the ball in the air, touch your head and shoulders with both hands, and then catch the ball before it lands. If you don't have a ball, you can use your favorite toy. As long as it's a small toy, you can even get a pair of socks and you put both socks into one and make it as round as possible as a ball. So I'm going to step back. I'm going to throw the ball in the air, I'm going to touch my head, my shoulders, and I'm going to try to catch the ball. If it's too hard for you, you can try just with throwing the ball, touching your hand, touching your head, and then catch it. Okay, so head, shoulders, catch. We can do just head and catch. If this is also too difficult, you can start easy by throw and catch. Okay, so head, shoulders, catch. Can you do 10 in a row without dropping the ball? Can you do 20 in a row without dropping the ball? I'm going to try to do 10. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tips for this one: keep your eyes on the ball and also move your hands closer or away from your body depending on what the ball is. Lost count, I think it's about 9 now. 10, and then I could carry on. Okay, in the next video we are going to add. You can try it now. We're going to do head, shoulders, tummy, catch. So like this: head, shoulders, tummy, and catch. Okay, but that's for the next video. Please use this video before you start your home learning, or in between, or after, or anytime you feel like you want to use it. It's a great energy booster and feel good. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.